What's going on, guys? Noah here with Geiser Performance. Today I'm here to show you how to install our oil filter guard on the 2025 Polaris Pro R. Before we get into it, let's go over a few details about this part. The oil filter guard is made out of 50-52 aluminum with a perforated mesh cutout to allow the oil filter to get airflow no matter what you're doing. Before we begin, we need to assemble the Geiser oil filter guard. Place the perforated mesh on the back side of the guard in the orientation shown. Using the 4 provided nuts and bolts, lock the mesh into place and tighten down using a 3/32 Allen and an 11/32 wrench. We can now remove the OEM oil filter guard using a T40 torque socket on the ratchet. We recommend using an electric ratchet to make this easier. With the provided screws and washers, you can now install your new Geiser oil filter guard. We recommend using glue Loctite to ensure proper installation. We hope this video helped you install your oil filter guard on your 2025 Polaris Pro R. If you guys have any questions or wanting to purchase, visit our website at geiserperformanceutv.com or come to our shop at 2335 West Corporate Center Drive, Suite 1 in Phoenix, Arizona.